The scaffold knot can be used to attach a carabiner to a line. First, we form a loop in the end of the line. If you are gonna use it for climbing, then make sure to take enough line so there will be some tail sticking out the scaffold knot when it's finished. Next, we take the working end and wrap it around the standing part. It might start to move around a bit, so make sure to hold everything in place. A simple trick here is to make wraps around your finger with the working end. Next, we continue tying the scaffold knot by forming two loops around the standing parts. The scaffold knot is a solid knot to attach a carabiner to a rope. It will be a bit difficult to untie, but to make the untying process a bit easier, you can take the carabiner out of the knot. Now that we have formed two wraps around the standing parts, we arrive at the more difficult part of the knot. We zoom in a bit, so it will be easier for you to see. We will now take the working end and then feed it through the three loops. We hereby follow the standing part that goes out of the knot. Next, clip your carabiner into the loop and pull the knot tight by pulling on both the working end and the underside of the loop. If you pull on the wrong end, the loop will just get bigger instead of smaller.